I was gonna do a live video, but I didn't realize I don't have the capability to do it. I'm gonna do a true unboxing. Let's see, let's do this real quick here. Scribble out my address and shit like that. Alright. Anyways, so we're gonna do a true unboxing. This is supposed to be a 511 knife. Oh, here's a honey badger Wharncliffe blade for Wharncliffe Wednesday. So, alright, let's check this out. Alright, here it is. There's the knife I just got. Never unboxed it. It's a 511 RFA, I believe it means ready for action assisted opener. US made CPM SV30 blade. That's why I bought it. It's supposed to be it's supposed to be the high end steel. Combination edge. So it has a serrated edge and it's assisted opening, black VX textured. I don't know what that means. I don't know what VXI means. Liner lock, 4-position pocket clip. Oh, and there's the knife. It comes in. It's a nice looking knife to me. Sealed. First one yeah. So 511. Let's see. Put this away. Actually, the box is pretty nice. Care and maintenance. Your normal care and maintenance. 511. Congratulations. Alright. Alright, so it's... Oh, what do you got here? Oh, this is for sheath. If you bought one with a sheath like a neck knife. Tells you assembly, how to do it. So, what do you got? Always be ready. Alright, let's see. Put that here. Let's get this right here. Alright, let's see. Here's it kind of got mixed reviews on Amazon, but it was shit. What was the price for this? Oh, it came with here's some screws and a little torque screw. All cool. I don't have to switch it's already tip up, and people say it's really hard to open. Yeah, it's pretty tight, but that's what one of the complaints was. It's an assisted open, but it's really hard to open. But I think I could work this out. But it has a serrated edge. It's a recurve. I think FN, so it's plastic handles. So I'm glad I don't have to mess with switching the pocket clip. So there's but they're right there. It's S30V. Mike somebody design. Has all kinds of patents. So let's see. Liner lock. That's pretty easy. Liner lock to close. I mean, yep, pretty easy. So it definitely needs work with the opening. That actually came pretty good that way. Let's see. It's tight. It's tight. That's what the complaint was. It's really hard to open with one-handed. But that time, maybe you just got to find the right spot. It's tight. I think actually you practice with this one. You find the right spot. I think that wasn't so bad. I think you just got to put your finger about right here. Well, no. It's tight. That's the one negative it was about it. It was tight, hard to open. But someone on YouTube said they put it like this or something. So it's like stretching the spring out. But overall, it's a recurve with the serrated edge. The liner lock is kind of real easy. I can close it real easy. Sometimes I hit it right. I think I just gotta practice with this one. I think it ain't that bad. Let's see. Oh, wow, it has bronze washers. That's something. It has the good washers in it. This is actually not a bad knife for people ripping on it. I mean, nice big lanyard hole. Someone was complaining about the pocket clip being too long, but actually I like the way it looks. Let's see, if you hit this, you just gotta hit it the right spot. It really ain't that hard to open. If you hit it the right spot, more practice, you just kind of right there, and bam, it opens up. What was it? Oh, anyway, so it has the S30V still. I mean, I wish I would. How much? I don't have my. I wonder if it tells me how much I paid for it. I think I paid. I want to say it was. Oh crap! Let me see. I can't use my phone because it's. I want to say it was $20-some. It wasn't super expensive. I think it was $23 because they had it at this place called Smoky Mountain. So yeah, not bad. You just got to hit the right spot. You got to know where you. And yeah, oh, it has pass-through construction, so you can wash it out, oil it. Deep carry. Yeah. Oh, I should see how sharp it is. Let's see. Let's get some phone book paper. I don't know. See who. Let's see some phone book paper. It'd be, I don't know. Maybe it will cut. Not bad phone book paper. That's pretty good, really. For phone book paper. Phone book paper is usually the hardest stuff. Let's see. Let's see if I can shave with it. Let's see. It's not the sharpest knife to come out of the box, but alright, here's my honey badger. See I'm sweating too, but this is my honey badger. It shaves pretty good. I sharpened this one, but this one's not quite. Yeah, it's not quite sharp enough. Like you hear this one, the honey badger with the blade, the edge I put on it could shave even sweaty hair. This one's let's see if it did shave anything. It might not have, but like you see, my honey badger shaved it pretty good. So the blade is, I'm sure if I had a piece of notebook paper, it'd be able to. Well, here's some thicker cardboard. The book. I probably will need to sharpen it, but I mean it cut. It's not razor sharp like that one, but you know, see. Let me go over one more time. So let's see how big it is. It is. Let's put it. Let's wipe this off. It is. Let's go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Roughly 4 inches. 3.5. And it's 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8.5 inches. You know what's funny? What I like about it is what it looks like closed. I think it looks really sharp closed. I don't know what the handle. It just has a really neat look. Let's see. I don't know. It's really not that hard to open. Maybe there's no blade play. This is actually, man, $23. This is like. Dude, for just my first impression with it, I'd say buy it. $24. I mean, you can't get the S30V. I mean, that's good still. Usually you're talking $75 to $115, $120. I think the Spyderco Para Military 2 actually has S30V, and you're talking $150 for that particular knife. It's not the paramilitary, but it is the same steel, and I really am having no trouble really opening this one-handed. It took a second or two to figure it out, but after a while, I don't know if it's breaking in, no problem. So If you like this style knife, I believe it's considered a drop point with a recurve, but you can't really see the recurve very good because it's got a serrated edge. So this was a attempt to be a live video, but it was unscripted. Just straight up pulled it out and did it. Oh wait, here, one more thing. It looks like it has it's printed 511. They took time with this. I don't know if you see 511 actually on the actual torque screw. It's a T6. Man, I don't know. As bad as people were, it was real mixed review. People were giving like from like 2 to 5. There was only like, I can't remember, maybe like 6 reviews, and my end result, I haven't used it, but the complaints was it's hard to open. Not hard to open for me. They thought it felt cheap. I don't really think it feels cheap. It feels, for 24 bucks and good steel like that, deep carry pocket clip, buy it. I'd say for just opening up, my impressions, 4 stars. All right, see you later. Have a good night. Oh, how about liking, subscribing, and sharing? See ya. Bye.